Hey everyone, do-it-yourself Andrew Flockhart here, and today we're making a rustic blanket ladder.
First thing I did in this build was go to the store and get a couple of 2x4s. You need exactly 3 2x4s in order to make this build. I then measured the boards as I wanted the blanket ladder to sit 6 feet tall. I then cut the railings to be 6 feet in length and then proceeded to cut the pieces going in between that the blankets would sit on to 18 inches in length. As you can see here, I needed 4 pieces to be 18 inches in length and 2 pieces to be 6 feet in length. I set my miter saw to 15 degrees in order for the legs to sit flush with the ground and still have an angle to the wall. This was the trickiest part about the entire build. I needed to figure out exactly where I wanted to put the 18-inch pieces in between the 6-foot railings. I decided on about 1.5 feet between each board. If I was to do this again, I would have had smaller distance between each board, as there would have been more of a gap from the bottom piece to the floor, allowing the blankets not to be touching the floor when hanging on the last rafter. It's important to have help, so make sure you have a couple of friends around with you.
So that's it. That's how you build a blanket ladder. I'm going to stand this up to the style that I'm looking for, but at this point you can make it whatever you want to. I angled these a little bit just so that the blankets sat on them nicer. Thought it added a little bit of style rather than just having them flat and flush in there. But at this point I'm going to stain and then it's done. So I made the mistake of assembling it before I stained it. I realized that it was just going to be much easier to stain it before it was assembled, so I disassembled it and stained it up, and now I'm going to reassemble it.
The reassembling piece was a breeze, as I already had screw holes where I wanted to put the boards, so I didn't have to measure again.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This was a nice, quick and easy way to add a rustic touch to your living space. Until next time, take care.